Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing tatanyasan na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirits ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kaya naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagitay sa ating mga Aquarius, ang ating mga hagilap. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik tiglig na guumapang manumbalit sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dala ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Aquarius. Angel Spirit Guides, give me an information. There's a Knight of Wands, no? There's a control or something na sinasabi dito na kailangan mo magkaroon ng stability and control sa lahat ng bagay or sa lahat ng aspeto, no? Kumbaga kailangan kontrolado mo emotions mo, and of course yung actions mo, and of course there is the higher front, a lesson learned, no? Matuto ka na sa nangyari sa'yo from the past, no? Naging padalos-dalos. At kailangan maging aware ka din, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa'yo, tungkol dyan sa mga nakaraan mo, no? Maging aware ka na. Additional messages, there's a Knight of Wands, no? There's a final push, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pang ilaban, no? At kailangan laban na laban. Additional messages, yung kahit na pagod ka na, kahit nahirap ka na, kahit na, kumbaga, parang sukon-suko ka na, kailangan mo pa rin lumaban. And of course, there's a Three of Swords in reverse. Ibig sabihin, there's a recovery. Recovery from what? From the pain, from the heartache, from the losses, no? Kumbaga sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa yung nagbigay sa iyo ng hinagpis at hirot, and of course, para kang pinagsakluban ng langit at lupa, parang bangungot, para sinasabi sa inyo, makaka-recover ka na. Additional messages. Because there's a that energy. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a that card, a transformation, a Scorpio season. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na magkakaroon ka ng a transformation, an ending, and a new beginning. So, let's see what is additional messages. What is additional messages? There's an Empress card, a revert, no? So, like I said, sinasabi dito na kumbaga, there's a Scorpio season and Taurus season. So, sinasabi sa dito na meron talagang a transformation and renewal, no? May panibagong or baka magtatayo ka ng panibagong negosyo o hanap buhay. It's a possible na magkakaroon ng success. And of course, renewal for your negosyo or trabaho. So, let's see what is the King of Wands. What is the King of Wands? There's a devil energy, you know? Yung pagiging, it's like temptation or parang parang tukso or something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga padalos-dalos na decision. So kailangan gamayan mo yan at kailangan kontrolin mo yan, no? Magdadala sa'yo yan ng kumbaga problema. So let's see what is the higher five. Let's see what is the higher five. And because there's a Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy, no? Mag-budget, kumbaga, mag-savings, gano'n, no? Maging mahinahon sa paggastos, no? Baka magkaroon ka ng financial loss kapag hindi ka naging, kumbaga, hindi ka natuto sa nakaraan mo. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. Siguro may mga pinagdaanan kang kagipitan about sa finances. So, dapat natuto ka na because there's a Wheel of Fortune, no? Kumbaga, there's a turning event, no? Iikot yung kapalaran dito na kailangan aware ka na at kailangan, kumbaga, natuto ka na sa nangyari sa'yo from the past na, kumbaga, pag umikot yung kapalaran, kumbaga, habang nandiyan ka sa momentum na yan, no? Kumbaga, tawag dito, gagawin mo yung bagay na, kumbaga, makakabuti sa'yo, no? At, kumbaga, abang nandiyan ka sa eksena na yan, kumbaga sasamantalahin mo, no? Yung opportunities. So, there's a Three of Swords in reverse. And of course, there's Four of Swords. So, ibig sabihin, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Or some of you guys, ha? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng fear or something na confusion. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na makinig ka sa intuitions mo, no? Alisin mo yung pangamba, alisin mo yung takot mo, no? Kumbaga natatakot ka siguro from heartache or heart pain. So, something na nangyari sa iyo sa nakaraan na kumbaga losses about sa finances or baka may kinakatakutan ka talaga, no? So, let's see what is the death card. And of course, sinasabi ng Wheel of Fortune dito, guys, ha, may swerteng papasok dito sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, umikot yung kapalaran na dati, kumbaga, nag-aantay ka na magandang oportunidad. So, this is the moment na umikot yung kapalaran na mukhang yung moment na hinahanap mong magandang kapalaran ay iikot na nga na, papunta sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, may mga opportunities na darating, no? And of course, there's a Knight of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance. I told you so. Kumbaga, there's an ending and a new beginning. So, matatapos na yung kagipitan, kumbaga kapos, gano'n, kumbaga this is the moment na kumbaga magbo-bloom na yung negosyo o hanap buhay mo or trabaho mo. So let's see what is the Empress card. Empress card represent the Justice card. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a justice will serve. Ibig sabihin na yung hustisya, no? A good karma for you. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na magkakaroon renewal and of course, revert. No? Kumbaga, baka magtatayo ka ng bagong negosyo. Kumbaga, mukhang papatok na at talagang pasabog na to para sa'yo. No? Kasi pagdating naman sa trabaho, no? Kumbaga, baka magkaroon ka ng good karma, promotions, and of course, accomplishment. So, let's see what is the Knight of, the King of Wands and the Devil card. Ano tong the King of Wands and the Devil card? And because there's a Ten of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, guys, kumbaga itong the Devil na to, nagbibigay sa inyo ng burden, no? Pasakit, sumpa, malas, ganon. So, let's see what is higher pa than the Four of Pentacles. And because there's a Queen of Cups, there's a healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dahil sa nangyari sa nakaraan. Kumbaga natuto ka na magtipid, mag-ipon, no? So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. And of course, there's a Seven of Wands, no? Protect your power, protect your energy. Kumbaga ngayon na kaya mo nang proteksyonin yung sarili mo, kaya mo nang labanan yung mga thoughts na nagtitrigger sa isip mo ng mga negativities. And of course, kumbaga yung swerte na pumasok sa'yo, no? Kumbaga pinapangalagaan mo habang nasa sa'yo sinasamantala mo. So, let's see what is the Three of Swords in reverse and the Four of Swords. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a Three of Pentacles. So, maaaring nagkakaroon ng collaboration or kailangan mo ng collaborations or heart-to-heart talk, no? With your first or with your love life and of course with your husband and of course with your wife or with your family rather, no? Kailangan nyo ng teamwork, no? Kumbaga na-stress kasi parang ikaw lang ang kumbaga tumataguyod, something na ganito. Kumbaga, kailangan mo ng collaboration. Maaring ikaw yung nagtatrabaho, kailangan din nilang tulungan ka sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Para diskarte ba, no? Let's see what is the Death card in the Nine of Pentacles. There's a 10 there's an everything is fine. So, some of you kumbaga kahit nahirap ka na, lumalaban ka pa rin. With the Death card, sinasabi sa'yo, dito na, kumbaga, pagkatapos ng bangungot na nakaraan, ibabangon ka sa bagong simula at tagumpay sa buhay. So, what is the Empress card in the Justice? What is the Empress card in the Justice card? So, let's see, there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's a practicality. And of course, pagdating sa finances, kumbaga, magbo-bloom na nga, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo yung nararapat na para sa'yo, no? Let's see what is additional messages for this outcome. Pagdating sa outcome is the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Recovery. Makaka-recover ka na raw pagdating sa finances. At the same time, there's a King of Pentacles. Secure. No? Magkakaroon ka ng security. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups. No? Kumbaga, there's a new romance. A new beginning coming in for you. No? Magsisimula ng panibagong chapter sa'yo ng may love and support. And of course, there's a magician. There's a manifestation. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na ma-manifest ka at the end of the time. Kumbaga, kumapit ka lang dito dahil, kumbaga, parang may mga bagay nang kumbaga, dapat mong matutunan, no? Yung mabibit-bit mo hanggang sa pagtanda mo or hanggang sa dating ng mga bagong henerasyon. So, let's see what is the Moonology. Let's see what is the with this Moonology. Let's see what is the Moonology. So, sinasabi dito, guys, there's, hold your vision. Napanghawakan mo kung ano yung nasa isip mo, kung ano yung, kumbaga ano yung instinct mo, yung intuitions mo, no? Kumbaga kung ano yung pumasok sumagi sa isip mo, panghawakan mo yan. Baka there's an signs or synchronicities na hinahatid sa'yo ng angel spirit. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, sinasabi sa'yo dito, guys, there's a doubt, no? Kumbaga, may mga nagkakaroon ka ng self-doubt, no? Kailangan mo alisin yan. Kasi baka yan yung nagkukos ng blockages for you. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a renewal. Diba? May pasabog na magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula. At the same time, there's a toxicities. I told you so. Baka yun yung nagbibigay ng blockages, yung toxic behavior or toxic attitude. Yung pattern na yan na kailangan mo nang putulin. Now, let's see what is additional messages. Yung doubt, yung pag-aalinlangan, yan na kailangan mong alisin. No? Ayun yung toxicities or toxic attitudes na meron ka. Let's see what is additional messages. Love Oracle card, there's a not today. O, ibig sabihin, nag-set ka ng boundaries na huwag kang tatanggap ng information galing sa ibang tao, no? Baka naghatak lang yan na negative, no? And of course, there's a seductions. O, sinasabi ko, di ba, temptation. Na kailangan mo alisin yung, kumbaga, yung tukso, no? Or, yung, yun nga, yung tukso nga. Sure. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. There is a 444. Sinasabi dito, I am pioneer. So, sinasabi dito, guys, I am protected, sorry. Trust your journey, trust the way your life unfolds, and trust that you are where you need to be in present moment. So, magtiwala ka na you are being also protected, no? Kumbaga, protektado ka ng ating angel spirit. May mga bagay yung inahatid sa yung signs or synchronicities na kailangan mong pakinggan. Kasi makakatulong sa iyo yan, no? Kumbaga, para mabigyan ka ng babala or magkaroon ka ng way or pattern para maialis yung mga negative traits or negativities around you. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's Earth, no? Sinasabi dito na learning how to be human in this world, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging practical ka, 'di ba? Sa lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages, angel spirit guides. So, sinasabi rin dito, guys, there's on health. So, some of you, tumutok ka sa health mo. Additional messages. There's a dolphin. So, some of you guys, kumbaga mag-enjoy ka sa buhay mo, no? Enjoy your life to the fullest. And of course, there's a cleansing, no? Kailangan nyo mag-cleansing and release the negativity, no? And of course, there's fairies for environment. So, some of you, kumbaga, sa surroundings mo, no? Kailangan maging malinis at maging maayos. And of course, there's a dancing movement. Kumilos, gumalaw, no? Na sumabay ka sa agos ng eksena. So, what is additional messages for this energy? And of course, the world. So, some of you, there's a trouble, no? And of course, there's a door to romance. Ibig sabihin, may pintuan talaga, no? Para sa buhay pag-ibig, sa buhay pakilig, at kumbaga mamahalin ka at talagang pakikiligin ka. From the highest level. There's the highest level of commitment. So, let's see what is additional messages for this chakra. For this chakra, angel spirit, there's a faith. I told you. Sinusubukan na pananampalataya mo, kaya yung doubt na yun yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng blockages. And of course, there's a faith, no? Sinusubukan talaga yung pananampalataya mo at tiwala mo dito. Additional messages. There's a service. Some of you as a public servant or something na tumutulong ka sa ibang tao or something na baka service crew or something na yung trabaho mo, no? And of course, there's a guilt, no? Maraming nagagalit or maraming inggit sa'yo, no? O itong tao na to baka may galit sa'yo. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Give us your care. So, some of you, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni Archangel Raphael na kumbaga, i-release mo yung mga bagay or yung fear, no? Yung fear mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo kaya, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo makipagtulungan at kailangan mo talaga ng commitment or doon sa person mo na, kumbaga, alisin mo yung doubt, yung trust issues, gano'n. It's a negativity, no? Kailangan, bigyan mo ng pahalaga yung sarili mo, pati din yung mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Yung taong mahal mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a strength card. See? Alisin mo yung fear. Strength is, kumbaga, parang lakas mo yung loob mo. Have a confidence, no? Pero kung sinasabi dito, there's a teaching. You inspire young people to learn. Ibig sabihin, marami kang natutulungang mas bata sa'yo na kumbaga na-inspire sa'yo or something na inspire ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And of course, there's your trouble. I told you so, no? Kumbaga, meron ka talagang trouble dito. It's either mangingibang bansa ka, magtatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa, or baka na sa ibang bansa ka, uuwi ka ng Pilipinas, no? So, let's see what is the romance angels. What is this romance angels? Romantic feelings. So, some of you guys, so your feelings are real and worth exploring. Ibig sabihin, may love life ka talaga dito, ti. Hindi ka talaga malalanta at luhaan, ti. Di ba? May pagdilig. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. Focus upon the very perfect health. So, some of you baka nagkakaroon ka ng health issues that because of your stress, no? At anxieties. Ano kasi sinasabi dito ni Archangel Michael? The situation is already resolved. Maaring nasolusyonan na itong problema na to, no? So, let's see what is Jesus' loving quotes. Jesus' loving quote said, "And to you, it's given to know the mystery of Kingdom of God." So, ibibigay sa'yo ni God yung mga bagay na hindi mo ina-expect makita. Yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, mabibigla ka at masusurpresa ka. Diba? There's an unexpected moment talaga. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life, angel spirit guides, give me information. There's a discovering. So, sinasabi dito na, today, I release my old beliefs, convictions, and preconceived notion in their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am adaptable. I am able to see beyond my previous limitation and discover greater worlds inside me. Ibig sabihin dito, marami ka pa nadidiscover. Marami ka nalalaman around you. Marami ka natutuklasan, no? Na may mga bagay na sa buhay or ginagalawan mo na there's an unexpected or there's a possible and kumbaga impossible, no? Kumbaga maraming mga bagay na tumutuklas sa'yo sa mga bagay-bagay or marami kang kaalaman na natutuklasan, no? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na yung toxicities na yun yung magdadala sa'yo ng blockages. You need to do something and you need to cut this pattern out of your life, no? Kailangan mo alisin yung mga bagay na yan na hindi makakatulong at hindi magsiserve sa'yo in the near future. So, this is the weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Aquarius. Maraming salamat Aquarius for this wonderful reading and see you in the next video. And of course guys, maraming salamat pala sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-diglig na go-umapaw, ano balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!